Hi, I'm Joanna, and I hate my hair. What else is new? To be fair, and to be honest with it, it's gotten better since I started doing the curly hair girl method, since I started using curly hair friendly shampoos, and I've actually seen a lot of my curl come back rather than it just being wavy. Like, I actually have like reasonable ringlets. Granted, it's still not healthy, and there's no way to get it back to healthy. I've been debating cutting my hair for like maybe the past year. I'm going to probably regret this. It's not going to come out looking nice. I know everyone recommends doing like protein keratin treatments, cutting off an inch and keeping up with it, yada yada. Usually people do that to maintain the length because it's so damaged. But you know what? I don't see a point in keeping the length if it's not pretty. It's hair. If I cut it off, it'll come back. I hope. It will come back. The damage in my hair, I think, is from here on down. I don't want my hair to be that short, though. I want it to be more like maybe up here, and then we'll work on growing it back. I would be fine with having it like this short. I can't do that to myself. I don't think I could cut my hair that short and it look nice and decent. So what I'm getting at is you just part it normally. You brush it out. I'm not going to brush my hair out because then that's just going to make it frizzy. So we're going to do that right now and then we'll even it out. Woo! That's okay. Making sure I'm not missing any hair in the back. This is a terrible idea. I know it's a terrible idea. I'm going to do it anyways because I'm young. I'm young and I will recover. Also, another motivation is I have like bits and pieces of my hair in the back that are super duper short, like at the nape of my neck, and it makes me look like if I have my hair up in a bun or a very high ponytail, it makes me look like I have like a little rat tail, which those aren't cut. Those are just breakage. Those are breakage. And it looks like I have layers like right here, a little bit up here and on the side. That's just breakage. I have not had layers done in about 4 years. I'm prattling to distract from the fact that I have to do this. Okay, so we're gonna cut above. Why is it such a big deal? Like, I know it's a big deal because like I have a lot of my identity wrapped up in my hair, and like it defines like my feminine nature. But you know what? My feminine wiles can depend on other things outside of my hair. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, here we go. We're good. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. My hair is very thick, so it's taken a hot minute. I should have done it in sections, but we're already here. Oh no! It looks bad. I already know it does. Okay, it looks bad. It's so uneven. Like I said, I already knew this wasn't going to turn out well.
2 hours later.
Push me to the edge. All my ends are dead.
We're still here. It's still happening. It's very uneven, but it's happening. I knew these scissors weren't going to work. I already knew that. Oh no, come on. My arm hurts. It looks really cute already. Oh no.
Are you sure about that?
It's very choppy. Oh no, I think I really like it.
You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
I still have to do the other side. What am I doing? Okay. Why is this side easier? Did I just get stronger? I don't think it's gonna be even. I don't think I put the ponytails quite as even. Oops. Oh my god, this hurts. This hurts my arms. Last time I cut my hair this short, though, was in 5th grade, and I cut it to look like an anime character. First of all, she has pink hair. Second of all, it's straight hair, right? My hair is not naturally straight, so of course I didn't look like the anime character. What a shocker. What a shocker. Absolute shocker. Go, 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 come on, come on, come on. lightweight. Oh no. Oh no. So you know what we're gonna do? So, oh no. Look how stubby my ponytail is. Wow, yeah, I really did that. She did that. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and just
Panic.
like I did, like after I bleached my hair, like got full head of highlights like twice. Each time I woke up the days after, like for at least a week, I would look in the mirror and I'd go, whoa, that's me. Oh, I really like it.
Then I took an 8-hour nap and forgot to film my final thoughts. Then I put off filming it for 11 days. Oops.
Hello. So, it's been about 2 weeks since I cut my hair. I've filmed this twice before, so, we're here again, and this is the third time filming, and hopefully I get it right this time. So like I said, it's been about 2 weeks since I cut it. I'm super happy with the way it looks. It's frizzy, and it's a little bit poofier than I would actually like it to be, but you know what, it's better than what it looked like about a month ago. I've definitely come to the conclusion though I should have gone to someone who knew what they were doing, because throughout my journey of these past 2 weeks, I've slowly given myself layers, just like chopping off bits I thought were maybe a little bit too long or would maybe look a little bit better shorter. And I've got some pretty short. I don't know where they are. I can't find them in my hair. And that maybe should be like a good thing, like, oh well, I cut them so well that I just can't see them. It alarms me though. Where are they? I've parted my hair different, I've looked for them, don't know where they are. It's like they vanished. That worries me. But anyways, overall my hair is progressing nicely. I've gotten a semblance of a curl pattern. Semblance is loosely used. I have curls and I have waves all over the place. Like, don't know what my curl type would be technically right now, or my wave type actually. I do have ringlets in places, but a majority of my hair at the moment is wavy. I washed it last night, so it's still a bit wet. I minorly scrunched it, plopped it, and then just slept in it, so it's still a little bit damp, and I defused it a bit this morning. It could be a lot worse. It's not, though. Just gonna pull you guys in a little closer to show you how it's progressing. I do have some wavies, and then I have some ringlets forming. It's mostly wavy, I would say. This side wants to be curly. Now, I didn't clump it, so that's probably why it looks absolutely chaotic. So I'm thinking clumping is what works for my hair. I probably should keep at that. And I also keep touching my hair. I'm having to learn to not touch my hair, especially while it's drying. It's gonna be some time before I get to where I really want to be with my hair. I realize that, but I'm not terribly upset with it right now. I do wish it was a lot curlier. I wish some of these, like this piece right here, kind of wish it was more curly than anything else. Oh well. I think it will probably take at least a few months to get where I want to be. And where I want to be is very loosely defined. I think I just want tighter curls. And I know I can have that. I just need to keep at it. So I will keep you guys updated with how my hair is progressing. I'm also trying to put it up a lot less. I say that as I just put it up. Like my curls right here, like, I'm so happy about this. I can't even like convey how happy I am that I have like springy curls. This is probably more like a 2C curl. So I will continue to keep you guys posted about my hair growth and my progress with the curly girl hair method and just what does and doesn't work for my hair. Thank you for watching, and I'm incredibly sorry for probably making you cringe out of your seat with my hair cutting method, if you can even call it a method. There really wasn't a method, it was just putting pigtails in, hoping for the best, praying for the best. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.